Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Miss May.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. So how's everybody doing today? Are you all good? Great, alright. Now ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our fight for their friends get to show us awesome tricks, amazing stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. As this show is all about conservation, education, and entertainment. So now, are you ready to be amazed with our fight for their friends? Alright, now to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Mr. Chris. So welcome, our blue and gold baka named Amigo. Hey, Mr. Chris? Now, Amigo is a very responsible bird. He loves to see his environment clean. As you can see, he picked up a plastic cup, walked all the way, opened the big body, shove it inside. Good bird. How about the empty can? There you go. He picked up the Coca-Cola can, opened the big again and drop it inside. Next one, buddy. Keep going. Come on. Crumpled paper. Let's go. Pick it up, Amigo. Okay, he picked up the paper, walked all the way, opened the bin again, and drop it inside. Now see if the birds can do, why can't we, right? So always remember to put all your trashes in the trash bin. As the saying goes, cleanliness next to? Yes, godliness. Now everyone, Amigo, together with his fight for their friends is something to tell us. What do you want to say, Amigo? Put it up, buddy. Ready? Good for it? Alright. Welcome to Cebu Safari Spirit Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. Now here's our twin blue and gold macaws in kind of coral, but wait, there's more. There you go. Now I can't even see your legs. Good job, buddies. Now we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Hari, Harima, Tomica, and Kar, and one green macaw named Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal for them. So when they were surrounded with many people, they will accept many people. Now their diet, they love to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables, and they also have a powerful beak that it can crack a hard shell nut. Well, I guess they're going back home to get more food. Now round of applause for flying macaws. Alright, now our next bird is a very special, intelligent, and a handsome bird, but I need your help to call our next bird. Can you say Jumbo? Louder, please say Jumbo. Jumbo. Go ahead, buddy. There you go. Ready? Alrighty. So here's our another greedy macaw named Jumbo. But anyway, don't you wave hi them. Say hi, everyone. Hi. Hi. Can you wave back and say hi, Jumbo? Hi, everyone. Happy Sunday. Now, macaws have a very long tail and feathers. It can reach up to 30 feet in length from head to tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now, Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, Jumbo? This one, buddy. Alright, good bird. Now, we can see most of their colors outside their bodies, and they have less color under its wing. Now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings? Let's do it again. Say wings. Alright. Okay, let's talk about their feet. Now, macaws' feet are called zygondactylous. That means they have 2,000 points forward and 2,000 points backward. So they use their feet to hold up things and climb. Now, Mr. Chris is a groundnut, and he will place inside the plastic basket, and that's a reward for Jumbo. Now, check this out. Be careful and lift out the plastic basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to reward the intelligence of our bird. And as what I've said earlier, Jumbo is a very special, intelligent bird. You want to know why? Why? Well, it's because Jumbo has gone to school, to the bird school. Alright, now we prepared 2 tests for Jumbo, but first let's have the spelling test. Now I have here 5 animal pictures: the horse, the camel, tiger, snake, and the zebra. Now I want you to choose one animal picture, please. One animal picture? Tiger. Okay, let's have the tiger with Miss Rachel. Alright, well, Mr. Urban is preparing the Jumbo diary. Let's have a short interview with Mr. Chris. Sorry. Hi, Mr. Chris. How are you today? Okay, it's great. Mr. Chris, where did Jumbo originally came from? It's quite far, but I think he likes to stay here in the Philippines. Okay, buddy, look at the picture carefully. It's a tiger. And what is the spelling of a tiger? Are you ready, Jumbo? Alright, first letter you pick to the letter T. The second letter will be the letter R. There you go. Now, how about the third letter, buddy? Oh, the third letter you pick to the letter G. Okay, we're done to the fourth letter, buddy, and that will be the letter E. Alright. Now, for the last letter for the tiger, it's the letter R. Wow. Now, tiger spells Tiger. Is it correct? Yeah. But I think it's too easy for Jumbo. Let's make it more difficult. Now, after the spelling test, we will be having the mathematical test. Now, let's have an addition. Now, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 to 10, alright? Just show your hands. First number, please. Let's have 5. How about the side? Second number? Okay, 8. 5 plus 8. Okay, buddy, what is 5 plus 8?
Ilang answer?
Okay, it's a secret for now. Now, Mr. Chris, I'm curious, what is Jumbo's favorite food? What makes him smart? Wow, Jumbo loves to eat variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And kids, don't forget to eat your fruits and veggies because it will make you smart just like our bird Jumbo. And Mr. Chris, what is Jumbo's favorite subject? Jumbo loves English and math, and that's two major subjects. Now we're all set, buddy. Look at the equation carefully. It's 5 plus 8. So it's addition, alright? So think carefully. First number, you picked up the number 1. How about the second number, buddy? 5 plus 8. Second number, you picked up the number 3, alright? Now 5 plus 8 equals 13. Our round of applause are really regarding Jumbo. Right, Jumbo? Okay, now at this point, ladies and gentlemen, I need 2 volunteers. Isaka, baby, let's go. And Isaka, adult volunteer. I need an adult volunteer, please. Sure. Okay, let's have now. Okay. Oh.
Ikaw, kuya. Ikaw, dito. Dia lang galing. Ayaw, kuyog ling.
Okay, hi, Kuya. Don't move, okay? No. Don't move, alright? And don't touch the bird, okay? Ready? Are you ready? I think he's ready. Okay, now everyone, I want you to meet our cute and colorful senator named Bunny. Go on, Bunny. There you go. Keep moving, buddy. No, there you go. Wow. Now, a small, don't touch our bird. Thank you. Now, as small as he is, Bunny is a very good leader, and he made a lot of friends at home. Now, after he finishes with, okay, call your friends, Bunny. Thank you so much. Now, everyone, I want you to meet our group of senators, Bunny's friends. Come on up. Oh, where are you going? Oh, no. Now, as you can see, our birds are free to fly. It's because we don't clip their wings. So we let our birds engage in their most natural habitat to exercise their most natural behavior in the wild. So we treat them as an ambassador of the wild for the next generation to see. Can we not do it again, Miss Rachel? Oh, I guess they went home already. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, Kuya. Okay, let's move to the bridge. Okay, please say your hands together and wear that hat. Okay, hold it with your one hand, alright? Okay, Kuya, don't move, okay? And don't touch our bird, okay? Now, everyone, I want you to meet our couple senator, Ding and Dong. Don't move your head. Alright. Now, senators are monogamous type of birds. Monogamous, that means they will only have one partner for a lifetime. And when their partner dies, that's the time they'll find for another mating partner. Alright, now up. Chris? Okay, there you go. Because I get you as a volunteer, but it seems that our bird is a little shy today, okay? Stretch your arms like this, Mom, and we will meet the twin brother of Bunny. Okay, just follow me. Alright. Okay, don't do extra movement, okay? And don't touch the bird. Now everyone, I want you to meet the twin brother of Bunny, our another cute and fluffy secular named Alpha. Come on, Alpha. Keep going, buddy. Ready? Oh, there you go. Now sunflowers, Ryan, they love to eat a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they are also called sand parakeets in South America. Now, in the wild, they can live 20 to 25 years, and in captivity, they can live up to 30 to 35 years. So, look at that. Alpha is enjoying his spirit. Okay, bye, buddy. Thank you. Thank you so much, and I'm gonna take your seat. Okay, at this point, I need an adult volunteer with a peso bill. I need someone with money. Alright, now sir, please come with us. Welcome to the show. What's your name, please? You are? Joy? Joy? Forward. Okay. Do you have your money with you? No money. Okay, great. Now, what's your name? Cassie. Now, Cassie has 100 pesos. All right, Cassie. I want you to fold your money into half 3 times. Okay, fold it into half. All right. 1, 2, and then last fold 3. There you go. Now, stretch your arms and hold the money like this. Okay. Hold the money. Stretch your arms. Okay, Dada will hold you. Okay. No, don't do it. No, see, Daddy na lang will hold. Okay. Like that. Just watch the bird na lang. Okay. Okay, sir. Please don't touch your movement and don't touch the bird. Okay. Now, everyone, I want you to meet the other brother of Bunny and Alpha named Sunny. Now, Sunny loves money, but normally they love to pick up things to build their nest and they love picking up their food. Now, this time we will be with Christ to Cassie. Oh! Go move, Cassie, go move. Okay, go move, alright? Ready, Sunny? Come on. Sorry, buddy. Wait, just stretch your arms now. Sorry. Okay, sorry, alright? Okay, there you go. Ready, buddy? 100 pesos, what we need to do. Okay. Here's the money. Okay, again, let's do it again. Okay, just don't drop it from the one. Are you still ready? Alright, what do we do next? Don't do that! Alright, buy Sunny and buy 100! That's easy money. Thank you so much for the 100, Cassie. Do you have 1,000 pesos there? We need another money. 1,000. I'm just kidding. Can you sir please come back? We will return your money. Yay! Okay, Cassie, we will return your money, buddy. Come on. Okay, we will return your money. Though Sonny loves money, he loves his more than money. Sure. Yes, we will return the money back. Okay, now this time I will stretch your arms up in your palm. Okay, so when Sonny return the money, just grab the money and then the bird, okay? Follow your dad, Cassie, okay? Sonny, please return the money. I know he loves his more than money. Ready, buddy? Alright, there you go. 100 pesos, ready? Give thanks to Cassie. Put your money back. Right back to Mr. Chris. Boy, Cassie, he likes you, Cassie. Alright, now round of applause for your name, Cassie. Sorry. Hi, Cassie, thank you so much. You can have take your seat. Now, ladies and gentlemen from the jungle of South America, let's wander the rainforest of Brazil. Because we have here our baby birds named Lanny and Rudy, or Yorker and Amazon parrot, together with their mentor, Miss Rachel. Alright, now as you can see, Miss Rachel is not wearing a mask as she comes out to the stage. So do I. It's because our birds are scared. and they're not comfortable seeing their birth trainer and host wear masks. So for them to perform better, we need to remove our masks. So we all know that the Omicron variant is very alarming right now, but don't worry because we are all fully vaccinated and we had our swab test last Thursday, right, Ms. Rachel? Yes. Now, young parrot Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness, right?
Maybe that is how what we heard every day.
Yep, that's what they do. So this is Lani and that is Rudy. So let's try them, alright? Can you say hi? Say hello, buddy. Hello. Now, Miss Rachel, what else can you mimic?
Mimic the different sounds of the animals, just like a rooster, a cat, and a dog. And also mimic the telephone ringing.
Wow, sounds great. So let's try the rooster first, alright? Come on, buddy. What's the sound of a rooster? Again, buddy, rooster. Alright, how about cat?
Oh.
Good bird. Okay, you ready? How about dog? Can you bark? Alright, tell me your name, buddy. Really, Lenny, where's the energy? Okay, ready? I have a question. Also, Lenny, what will you do when you see a beautiful girl? Do you see a beautiful girl? Wala yung bangka? Oh, nakakita na siya. Okay, do you see? One more?
Ah, lovely ka pa yan.
Alright, now Miss Rachel, I heard that these birds love to sing. Is it true?
Yes, we love to sing, but before they sing, they need to have a warm-up first.
What? They need to have a warm-up. Wow, that's amazing. Just like other singers do, right? Okay, let's do the warm-up, buddy. Come on. Again. Wow, I guess they're ready for the first song. Now let's do the first song. Whoa, whoa, yeah. I love you more than I can. Say again, buddy.
Lovely ka pa yan.
I love you more than I can. Okay, now for the second song, it's a birthday song. Now, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Who's in a birthday? Hi, happy birthday! It's one of our volunteers. Also, si Nat up there. Happy birthday po. Now, celebrants, listen carefully because Lani and Rudy is going to sing a happy birthday song. Come on, let's sing, buddy. Stop. Stop playing.
Oh, look.
Again, play again. One more time.
Tingog siya lang.
Last one. Okay, last one.
Oh.
What's funny? Don't laugh. Come on. Stop laughing. Come on. We're gonna sing serious, serious now. Okay. Last one. Last one.
Diri ka sa pikas ling, landong ling. Kuya, diri sa pikas yun, landong ya.
Oh,
Ah, lupig ka sa landong. Oh, lupig ka.
alright, a happy birthday to you. The praise now from Lani and Rudy. The round of applause from your crowd, Amazon Parrot. And thank you so much, Miss Rachel. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen from Brazil, let's wander India. Because we have here our Indian Doobie Vows, Prince and Princess, together with their mentor again, Miss Rachel. Come on, buddies. Where are you? Come on, come on, come on.
kayo.
To the center, please. Okay. Now, peacock is the collective term of these birds. So the male is actually the peacock, then the female is called peahen. So their baby is called peachick. So the male appears more colorful than female, and they have a tail that can reach up to 6 feet in length. Okay, mind opening up your tail, buddy? Open your tail, come on. Ready, Prince? Open up, open up. Hey, you're not moving. Are you shy? Don't be shy. Okay, so their diet, we give them grains, breads, and pellets. And sometimes they eat small insects just like any other omnivorous type of bird. So unlike any other bird, peafowls are polygamous type of birds. So polygamous, that means they can have multiple partners. So in the wild, they can live 40 to 45 years. And in captivity, they can live up to 60 to 65 years. Okay, buddy, open up.
Ay, pagliw kayo.
Ready? What's the problem? Are you busted, Prince? Okay, no, buddy, come on. Ready? Good bird. Ready? Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Hey, why are you moving?
Ulit na ta?
Come on, Prince. They're all waiting for you, buddy.
Ulit na ta? Ay, pagliwak diha.
Go, Prince! Why they're cheering for you? Come on! Ang nice na. Can you hear them clap? Come on, buddy.
Ang
Hey,
luod
what's
siya,
wrong
kuya.
with you? Do you have argument with Princess last night? Nag-away mo lang. Hey, what's wrong, buddy? Open up, Prince. Come on, buddy. Prince, open your tail.
Ha?
Uy, I think Prince is okay.
Nasa bulsa na ako, unya na.
Okay, mind going back home now? Come on, because we still have a lot of birds to show. Okay, let's go back home if you open your tail. Come on, buddy. Ooh! He's not moving. Okay, so here it's Pusa Park Adventure Park. We don't force our birds to perform, so we respect their own feelings and emotions too. I guess Prince is having a bad day. Are you having an argument with Princess? Come on, let's head back home, my buddy. What are you gonna? You won't open one. Come on. Ready? Okay. See you now. Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Indian movie calls Prince and Princess. Look up. Okay, this way, please.
Wala siya ni open sa iyang ko.
You can get over it whatever problem you have, Prince. Alright. Now you already witnessed the extraordinary skills and talents of our cute and fluffy birds. Now, it's time to meet some ferocious raptors, our birds of prey. Now, our birds of prey need to showcase a variety of extraordinary hunting skills and flight style. Now, our first bird of prey is a brownie kite named the Glider. Hi, Glider. Now, brownie kite is locally known as Banog in Bisaya and Lawin in Tagalog. Now, our next bird of prey is a diurnal bird of prey. Diurnal meaning they do their hunting on daytime. And with that, we need a lure handled by Mr. James. Now the lure serves as the real food or the real prey because our bird is going to showcase how good he is at catching his food. Ready, Mr. James? Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes alert to our Falcon Hawk Eagle named Hunter! Alright, there you go. He attacked his lure and landed to the tree. Alright, now Philippine Hawk Eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. Now their diet, they allowed to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds, and they have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. And in the wild, Philippine Hawk Eagle can live 15 years, and in captivity they can live up to 30 years. And also they have, oh there you go, careful. Also they have a very sharp vision because they can his father praying from a distance. Now, as you can see, he's very protective of his food because he let his wings cover his prey so nobody can steal it. Now, on the other hand, Mr. Chris is the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And as you have observed, we keep our distance away from hunters because we are not wearing our protective gears. Unlike Mr. Chris, he's wearing a thick gloves for the protection of the sharp and large talons of our birds. Now, a round of applause for Philippine Hawk Eagle named Hunter. Now, from the urinal, let's move on to nocturnal. And nocturnal is the opposite of the urinal, and that means they do their hunting at night. Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and be silent because we have here the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine Eagle owl named Tattoo. There!
No.
Hi, Tattoo. Want to say hi to everybody? Hello, everybody. Alright, now let's talk about owl. Philippine Eagle owl is the largest owl in the Philippines. They have a large head and a bulging eyes, and their eyes are very good in total darkness. They can see 10 times better than the human's eye, and their hearing is acute. They can hear a mouse quick half a mile away. Now here in the Philippines, they're nobody known as Bukao or Kwangko. Might you know to them? Nobody? Alright, now a round of applause for Philippine Eagle owl named Tattoo. So ladies and gentlemen, from the medium-sized bird of prey, let's move on to one of the largest bird of prey. Now for the grand finale, I need your cooperation. Please remain seated, don't stand up, and don't try to reach out our bird for your own safety because this time our bird is going to fly closer to you, and he's one of our largest bird of prey here in Cebu Safari. Also kids, please stop running second for a while. Again, for your safety, ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated, don't stand up, and don't try to reach out our bird. Now we have our bird trainer here, Mr. Urban. Are you ready, sir? Okay, you ready? And I guess... Alright, we're all set. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for the grand finale, keep your heads up, points or white bellied sea eagle named Marina, eyes in front. There you go, and that to Mr. Urban. So white-bellied sea eagle is also called as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage on its head down to its underparts, and its back and wings is dark gray in color. And they are found throughout Southeast Asia, Australia, and Tasmania. And they are the second largest quacker in the world, found in Australia next to the wedge-tailed sea eagle. So ready to take your flight? Fly down to the stage, my friend. Now a round of applause for white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to seal this moment, we have here our flying lorries all over Australia. Huh, lorries? We have 3 types of lorries, the dusky lorries, champion lorries, and the red blue lorries. And to make it more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace! Come on, peace! Prosperity and harmony, our group of pigeons. Also our group of guinea fowls, all the way from South Africa. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we totally end our show, let me introduce you to the people behind the success of the show. Our performer of the day, Mr. Chris, together with our white-bellied sea eagle named Marina. Miss Rachel, in charge of lorries, bird trainer up there, Mr. Urban. Samuel there, Mr. Ricky, bird trainers in the back, Miss Jihad, Miss Debbie, Mr. Urban, Mr. Ian, and Mr. James. And last but not least, the man behind the success of the show, our professional bird trainer, Mr. Aikon, all the way from Singapore. Together with our scarlet Amani, the Rumbo. And yours truly, my name is May, and I hope you enjoy the show. Thank you so much, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the wild. Sayonara.
Ito na kuya. Ibong adar na kuya. Ibong adar na. Mali na lang sila kuya.